Page 20. Mr. Frog is full of hops. I don't know where they get these titles, but that's what it is. At the top of the page, they do that view, that chart thingy. That's fine if that's what you're into. They give the preparatory drill. That's fine if that's what you're into. I want to talk about the piece. That's what I'm into. 4/4 time, so we're going to count to 4, and we're still counting quarter notes. It starts out with the right hand, thumb on middle C. That puts us in this position. But the notes are getting all jumbled up now. They're starting to get further. There's not just getting notes next to each other. Now things are starting to mix up a bit. Right at the beginning, the C, the next note then, it's not a D, it's an E. And the next note is a G. Next measure, it's an F and a D. See, they're mixing up. I want to point something out. They're going to point it out eventually, but I don't have much to say here, so I'm going to point it out. Look at the first 3 notes. The C, the E, and the G. Those 3 notes together make up what we call a C chord. They will get there eventually. I'm just telling you now. Very common, and you're going to see it a lot. So this kind of pattern you're going to see a lot. You just break it. You're playing the chord 1 note at a time. And then the next measure. And then the third measure, the left hand comes in with the thumb on middle C. Watch that C, A, F. You notice those 3 notes? That's a chord too. Has nothing to do with what we're talking about. I'm just throwing a little extra at you just to make sure you're confused. Please understand, the music is going to continually getting more challenging as we go through it. So if any time you're starting to get lost or you're starting to struggle, that's your cue to go back and start it again. The book. Go through the book again, because you might be going too fast. Don't rush through these. Take your time. So let's do this Mr. Frog thingy together. And check your notes and rhythms. I'm going to give us 4 counts since it's in 4/4 time. And you already know it's in middle C position, so here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 4,